Listen up. Your automatic transmission could be dying right now, and you might be the one destroying it. That's right. Thousands of drivers are destroying their transmissions every single day because of these 5 costly mistakes. And number 4, it's probably happening in your driveway right now. These aren't just costly mistakes, they're catastrophic. Let's dive into what's killing your transmission. Mistake number 1. Never changing your transmission fluid. Here's a shocking truth. Your lifetime transmission fluid, it's not actually meant to last a lifetime. Let me break this down by transmission type, because the manufacturers won't tell you this. When it comes to traditional automatic transmissions, you're looking at changing that fluid every 60,000 to 100,000 miles in normal conditions. 1,000 miles in normal conditions. Heavy city driving or towing, Don't believe that lifetime fluid marketing nonsense. It's just code for a lifetime of the warranty. Now, if you're driving a CVT transmission, you need to be even more careful. These sensitive systems need fresh fluid every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, and even sooner in harsh conditions. CVTs are incredibly sensitive to old, worn-out fluid. And for those of you with a DCT transmission, you're looking at changes every 40,000 to 60,000 miles. If you're driving aggressively or hitting the track, you might need to change it as often as every 20,000 miles. These transmissions run hot and they're thirsty for fresh fluid. A $200 fluid change now could save you from a $4,000 transmission replacement later. That's the kind of math that everyone can understand. Mistake number 2. The reverse the drive disaster. This one makes me cringe every single time I see it. People shifting from reverse to drive while their car is still moving. Every time you do this, you're basically punching your transmission in the face. Here's what's happening inside. Your transmission has to slam on the brakes, switch directions, and then accelerate again. All in a split second. It's like trying to run forward while someone pushes you backward. Something's gonna break. The right way? It's simple. Come to a complete stop before shifting between reverse and drive. Those extra 2 seconds could add years to your transmission's life. Mistake number 3. The neutral coasting myth. This is the one that drives me crazy because people think they're actually saving money coasting in neutral. It's not just dangerous, it's completely pointless in modern cars. Here's the truth. When you're coasting in neutral, your engine is actually using more fuel than when you're in drive. Modern automatic transmissions are smart. They know when to disengage the engine to save fuel. By shifting to neutral, you're actually fighting against your car's efficiency, but it gets worse. When you're in neutral, you have less control over your vehicle. If you need to suddenly accelerate to avoid danger, well, good luck shifting back into drive fast enough. Mistake number 4. The park and destroy move. This one happens in parking lots across the world, thousands of times every day. People shifting into park while their car is still rolling. Every time you do this, you're putting all the weight of your moving car onto one tiny piece of metal called the parking powell. Think about it this way. Would you try to stop a rolling bowling ball with a toothpick? Because that's basically what you're doing to your transmission. That parking powell wasn't designed to stop your car. It's designed to keep it stopped. The correct sequence is simple. Come to a complete stop, keep your foot on the brake, then shift into park, and finally engage your parking brake. Follow these steps and you'll protect that vital parking powell from devastating damage. Mistake number 5. The cold start killer. This last mistake is probably happening in your driveway every morning. Starting your car and immediately putting it in drive, your transmission fluid needs time to warm up and circulate, especially in cold weather. When your transmission is cold, the fluid is thick and doesn't flow properly. It's like trying to run a marathon without warming up. Something's bound to get hurt. Here's what you should do instead. Start your car, wait 30 seconds to a minute before shifting into drive, and drive gently for the first few minutes, assuming it's not extremely cold weather. Your transmission will thank you with years of reliable service.